everybody, it's your boy Carson. Today we're gonna be playing some Surviv with my friend Silas. Say hello, Silas.
Hello.
I don't know what he's...
Oh yeah, you spelled Surviv wrong on one of your videos. You did Survivi.
Oh, I don't give a crap. Close enough, Silas. Okay, can you... Let's go!
I'm trying... Sorry, but I'm Okay. Okay, whatever. Ready?
Yes. No, let's do it. Do us.
No, because there isn't duos of this mode.
Fine.
All the people that play this mode are trash.
Including me.
All the people that take me to the show. Of course he didn't get it. Oh, what? He got the ammo? I need help.
I'm coming. Run towards me. Come on. Come on, dang it.
I died. One more person.
Okay, wait for it. Yes, I got a kill.
You got what?
Kill.
Okay, cool. I get kills too. Ain't that cool? I'm a person.
Push me to the edge. All my friends are dead. I don't really care if I fall. I don't really care if I die. Push me to the edge. All my friends are dead. I don't have a gun. I have a helmet. That's it. Just run.
But it's all good because I'm running.
Push me to the edge, Daddy.
What?
I want that. Give me that. Give me that.
You pack my gun now. What?
I punched you, then you got knocked. I punched you.
That gun is garbage.
It looks good. Or probably just garbage. Probably not.
Oh yeah. I've never carried it out. Like.
Okay, this dude's good. This dude's good. He's a good guy. Don't go chase after him. He gave me the thumbs up. Can I have it this time?
There's one down there. Go get it.
Where? Where?
Here, give me some back. Give me some back. I'm good.
Huh? No, he's good. He's fine. No, don't kill him. Don't kill him. Bro,
give me that.
Can you, unless you give me the Tommy gun.
Give me, for what? For that?
For that. This thing good.
I don't have any ammo.
Me neither.
Oh, I don't have any sound though.
Here's some. Here's the gun. Help. Bullets flying everywhere. Did you kill him?
Nope. No! He barely even... I get guarded so low.
GG. That was fun.
Did you have a scope in there?
I already have one. Flare gun, I'm guessing.
Yep. Doesn't even do damage.
Scares them. Oh, I'm out. Why are you? Oh, I'm coming. I got a gun. Did you kill them?
No, quick! He has a gun. He got a gun. No, there's a guy.
How? What? If I could right now, I would punch right through this TV. Okay, what? Why did you leave the team?
Need me.
Huh?
Just come
Oh, no.
get back. There. I'm back.
Oh shoot. You're back on the team?
Yeah.
I left it, I think.
Oh.
Does it say I'm still there?
What?
Does it say I'm still there? Bow, 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 bow. Bow, 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 bow.
Capital N?
One second. Capital N.
No, N. Like Marquardt.
Good example. M.
V. Violin.
Capital or
Lowercase.
V. Visa, amigo. Okay. M.
Lowercase N for nice.
Nice and L.
Yeah, capital L.
Then L for loser. Mine. This is mine. Oh, I got a flare gun. Such a good gun.
I know, it's like the best gun in the game.
I know.
Thank you. I'm strong. Ooh. Oh, let's go.
Lucky.
Where are you?
Looking for something.
Knock someone?
Knock someone or found someone?
Knock someone.
Oh, can I have his stuff? I don't have a flare gun. And a hat. Gun.
Okay. Here.
Do you have any purple ammo? Oh, I'm 1 second.
There. Keep all that purple ammo. You're welcome for joining.
Thank you.
I'm invisible.
You are? You got that? No, you're not. Not on my screen.
I'm kidding. I'm chasing it.
If you need help.
Follow me. Or Poppy. I have an 8
Slow down, Poppy.
Knock someone? I'm finishing this. Did I good?
Mm-hmm. Got sniped at. Somebody's right here.
Wait.
Somebody here.
Don't engage. I sniped him. Take all of his stuff. There's a guy. I knocked one. I need help.
Oh, okay, I got my time again. I'm sneaking around from behind. You steal all my kills.
I need a med kit. Oh wait, I have one. Okay. Take a shotgun.
Got a shotgun? Oh yeah, he does.
There's shotgun ammo right here.
Bro, but I have double whatever these are. Oh, I need a med kit more than you. I need a med kit little more than you. Do you have a med kit? Look how much health I have.
Here. Run. Grab it and run.
Okay.
Run.
Close the door on me.
Run with this. Okay, just take it. You'll be fine.
No, I won't. Trust me. Okay, now I will. Oh shoot! I forgot to get the shotgun.
What?
I forgot to get the shotgun. There's one right here. Do you have any shotgun ammo?
Oh my gosh! I dropped 42 back there.
I'll take that gun. This gun.
There's people on me.
Don't you, please don't die. So, Silas, get in here, take cover, get in. So, Silas, come in here. Get in here, so if they come in, we can just pump them. What? How?
I'm just about dead. No, I was at 0.1 seconds and taking my med kit. You want to play Phil? No, let's play no Phil.
Let's play Phil, because we probably could have won there if we had people. I'm just grabbing the flare gun. After unlock the wind.
Just go kill yourself. All your friends are dead. Push me to the edge, all my friends are dead.
Oh, he's almost dead. Oh, I knocked him!
Gosh, bro.
I knocked him with my fist. And I'm getting a supply drop.